In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your own community inside System.io. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the Assets tab, conveniently located in the main menu of your System.io dashboard. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but for our purpose today, you'll want to look for Communities. Click on that, and it will take you to the Communities page. Once here, you'll see a Create button. This is your starting point for building your community. Selecting this button will cause a pop-up window to appear where you're prompted to fill in some key details. Begin by entering a name for your community, then all you need to do is choose a domain for it to be linked to and provide a URL path. One note here is to decide whether you wish for posts to be automatically approved or if you'd prefer them to go through a manual review process. After you've entered all the necessary information, click Save and let System.io do the rest. This action will redirect you to your new community dashboard, which features 5 essential tabs. The Home tab is where your creativity begins to flow, allowing you to create topics and post content. Then, moving over to the Members tab, this is where you have full visibility and control over your community members. From managing current members to inviting new ones, this is the hub for all things related to your community members. Next, under the Settings section, you have the flexibility to adjust the finer details of your community setup. Meanwhile, the Pending Posts area is essential if you've opted out of automatic post approvals. Here, you can review and approve posts before they go live. To keep things organized and timely, the Scheduled Posts section allows you to manage any upcoming posts that you've planned for specific dates and times. For more detailed member information, such as their join date or role within your community, head back over to the Members tab. And if you're ready to expand your community, simply click Invite New Members. You can then type in their email addresses, hit Invite, and your invites are on their way. Plus, for efficiency, you can even invite multiple people at once by pasting several email addresses into the invite field. Take a moment to explore the Settings tab where you can rename your community, update the URL path, or upload a cover image that appears on the community list and join pages. Also, decide whether you want your community to be private, requiring invitations for entry, or public, where anyone can join freely. The choice is yours. Once someone is interested in joining your community, they'll hit the Join button. If they already have an account, they'll be added immediately. Otherwise, they'll be directed to register and receive an email to set their password. Lastly, to keep the communication flowing, enable notifications for comments or reactions to posts by going to Settings, clicking on Notifications, and turning on Notify Me about published community posts. There you have it. You're now all set to build and nurture your System.io community. Enjoy connecting with your audience and growing your community.